everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I have got another advent calendar unboxing to show you. This advent calendar is a 12-day advent calendar from CRAFTYFOX251. If you're not sure who CRAFTYFOX is, she is a lovely lady called April who has a shop on Etsy selling a wide range of products such as arts and crafts materials and nail art products, resin pieces. She has a bit of all sorts, jewellery. I absolutely love her jewellery, all at super affordable prices. I've done quite a few videos now on her products in the past. I will leave those linked in the description box if you'd like to check them out. But today we are going to be doing a full unboxing of this advent calendar, so spoiler alert, if you do not want to see what's in this advent calendar, please stop watching. If you want to keep it as a surprise for yourself, as I will be sharing all the products in this video today. This advent calendar looks absolutely gorgeous. It's very eye-catching. She has put it together really well. It's super colourful, super Christmassy, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I can't wait to dive into it today. This advent calendar costs £15 and there is only 10 available at the moment, so if you want one you're going to have to be quick and get yourselves one. I'm so excited about this, so I'm just going to stop talking and I'm going to start opening up the days. I really hope you all enjoy it. If you do, please remember to like and subscribe and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, let's dive into this advent calendar. Okay, so here we have day number 1. As you can see, they have been beautifully packaged. All the bags are like different colours and these cute little stickers on. I love them. Okay, so this is what we've got for day number 1. We have got a couple of little charms. I love the fact they're in these cute little organza bags. And we have got 2 little stocking charms. They look really nice. They've got some crystals on them. They are slightly curved there, so they're easy to apply to a nail, and they'll sit nicely without sticking up weirdly. Yeah, they're really cute. That's day number 1. Next up we have got day number 2. A cute little sticker on the back there again. Oh, I love these. I love them a lot. They're like little zodiac nail stickers. I believe the M1 is my one for Virgo. They're constellations. I should know this. But yeah, I've got these little moons and stars, little circles. I really like this one here, like the swirly one with the little moon and star on the inside. They're very gold and shiny. Yeah, I really like these, they are beautiful. Okay, we have got day number 3. That's a little sticker this time. This one is sort of a medium cut red metallic glitter mix called Rudolph. That's really nice. I think that must be a 5-gram bag. I don't know if I've actually got one like that either. So that's exciting. It's a really nice glitter. Day number 4. I love the colour of this bag. It's really pretty. And a sticker again. So in this one we have got some foils. I have never ever seen a foil like that before. See that? You really couldn't get more Christmassy in a foil, could you? So got that one. This one's very autumnal. I like that. And that one there. These are really cool. I like them. I've never seen ones like this before. Look at that one. They are so pretty. Oh, that one's cool. So it's got the Happy New Year as well as the Merry Christmas. I like these. They're so interesting. Oh, that one you could do a lot with. I really like that one. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that one is so cute. I like that a lot too. And that one, wow. I don't have that many Christmas foils, so I'm really happy about that. I really like the colours on that one. And this one's really fun as well. I really like that. Oh, that's really cool. I don't have a single one of them foils. I've never ever seen a single one like any of those either. So I really like those. They are really nice. That was day number 4. Moving on, we have got day number 5. That little sticker on the back. We have got another organza bag with some little charms in this one. Oh, look at them. How cute are they? Oh, they're adorable. I really like them. They're cute little reindeers. I might actually end up using these in the next couple of days because I've got a set of nails to do for someone and they wanted a set that I'd done from last year, but the reindeer used them as really big and bulky and they want them on the natural nails. So these might be perfect for that. They are adorable. I love those. Okay, we have got day number 6. This feels like it's going to be a bag of glitter. And cute little sticker. Oh, wow. These are really short. super holographic gold tinsel strands. Just call it Tinsel Party. I love that. Look how nice that is. I don't have nothing like this again either. I really like that. There's so many in there as well. Literally so many. It's gorgeous. Okay, we have got day number 7. Ooh, these look really nice. Look at them. The amount of colour going on in there, I love that. Wow. So these are like multicoloured, metallic nail stickers, all Christmassy lit. Look how gorgeous they are. I love them. I'll definitely be using these a lot, I'm sure. I'll probably do a couple of sets of these. Oh, they're really pretty. I love them. Really, really, really nice. Okay, we have got day number 8. Look how bright and pink that is. I love it. A cute little pink sticker. We've got another load of foils here. So we've got this sort of marbly kind of one in like yellow and green. I do have a lot of marble foils, but I don't have ones in those colours, so that's really cool. And we've got some more galaxy ones. Look at that. Beautiful. Look how pretty these are. Oh, I really like the colours on this one. That's really nice. This one I have already got. I've got so much of this, but it's so pretty. And that one. They're so nice, aren't they? I love the light pastel colours on that one. And this one as well. Colours on that are really nice as well. It's a whole bunch of galaxy foils here, really nice here. I'm loving this advent calendar so far. Day number 9, feels like more glitter. Oh, that's a really nice mix. This one's called Deck the Halls. So full on Christmassy colours. Come on camera, focus. See the colours? Literally so many colours going on in there. Pretty much every colour you can think of in that mix. There's a multi-mix as well, so you've got fine glitter, you've got medium hexes and large hexes. And just some normal chunky glitter. The amount of colour in there, it's beautiful. I like it a lot. Okay, so now we have got day number 10. Okay, so in this one we have got some neon stars in pink, blue, purple, orange, green and yellow. They're really nice. You've also got like the outer bit of the star, and then you've got like the cutout in a bit as well. So they're really, really, really nice. I really like these sort of neon shapes. I have quite a few different shapes in these sort of neon colours. They're like paper thin, so really nice to work with. Yeah, I like these a lot. Okay, so now we have got day number 11, and I'd say this is another bag of glitter. Oh, this one's cute. It's just a chunky mix again. It's called Happy Christmas. And in here we have got blue, purple, green, red and silver chunky glitter. It's really nice. I don't have many glitters in this sort of cut. Very, very, very Christmassy, as you can see. Proper Christmas in a bag. I really like that. Okay, and then day number 12, the last day. I'm going to say this is a stamping plate, judging by the weight and the sort of size of it, which is really cool. So it is a stamping plate, which is awesome. It's a cat stamping plate, so we've got loads of different designs of cats on there, which is really cool. I love this little one down the bottom here. A little cat's playing, a little cat going up to the moon. That's really cool, and I love stamping plates so that the fact that they never run out. They're not like stickers or foil or glitter where eventually they're going to run out. Like a stamping plate, you can use them forever as long as you look after it. I really like this moon up here. But that's a really cute little thing to have as the final day on the advent calendar. I really like that. So yeah, that is everything for all this advent calendar. I really love it all. It's a great little advent calendar for a 12-day one. There's a load of really nice stuff to play with. It's not all Christmassy, which I like, so I do prepare an advent calendar to have some bits and bobs in there you can use all year round. And there definitely is here, like the glitters you can use all year round, stars, these foils here, the galaxy ones, the stickers, stamping plate. A good chunk of it you can use all year round, which I really, really, really like. And I think for £15 it's an absolute bargain. I really like it all. I cannot wait to use it all. There's a whole variety of bits here that I don't have. I love these foils. I think they're so unique and so different. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I can't wait to do something with them. So yeah, I think this advent calendar is an absolute bargain. Thank you so much to April for sending it to me. I can't wait to have a play of it all. I really need to sit down and start doing small Christmas sales. I've only done one set so far, but I have so much more stuff to play with now to sort of inspire me and help me create some beautiful sets. So thank you so much to April. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. I'll leave the link to advent calendar down in the description box if you'd like to check it out for yourself. Like I said, there is literally only 10 available, so if you want one you have to be quick. But yeah, and anyways, I hope you have all enjoyed the video. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Merry Christmas!